boys and girls, we're going to get started with our subtraction lesson, and we are going to continue to work on subtraction stories and taking away. I just want to review with you, what does this symbol mean? Say minus. This is the minus symbol. This is what's used in subtraction because we are taking things away. Do you remember what this is called? Equals. Great job. And this means this is what the answer is, what it is equal to. So what I want to do first, boys and girls, is I would like to start with a tower of 10. So I have a tower of 10 here. And what I want to do is I want to work with you on making a subtraction sentence, okay? So the first thing is we have a tower of 10. And actually, why don't you friends take a minute to go get a whiteboard and a marker or paper and a pencil? Thank you. Okay, we're gonna get started. So what we're going to do is, this is my tower of 10. So if I have a tower of 10 and I take 2 away, how would you write that as a number sentence? I have a tower of 10 and I take 2 away, and I'm going to show you in a minute. I'm going to put some number cards out, and I want you to check and see if your number sentence matches mine. Okay? So I had a tower of 10. I took 2 away. So I want to see if you friends came up with this. Oh, I hope you guys can see that. 10 minus 2 equals. Say it with me. 10 minus 2 equals. Great job. So now you need to figure out what the answer is. So one way we can do that, Mrs. Frey has the cubes, so we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 left, and Mrs. Frey can put the answer. I'm gonna make sure we're all gonna be able to see this. Hold on. Mrs. Frey's. So this is what you should have. 10 minus 2 equals 8. Another way you could figure that out, friends, is you could hold up 10 fingers and you could take 8 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many are left? Oh, wait, no, sorry, friends. Mrs. Frey got that wrong. Sorry, back it up. Sorry, we have 10 and we're only taking 2 away. Mrs. Frey's looking at the answer. So we have 10 and we take 2 away. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right, let's try another one. And I'm going to do a different size tower. I'm going to do a tower of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the first number that you should be writing down, boys and girls? What number should you be doing first? 6, that's correct. Okay, so I have a tower of 6, and I'm going to take 3 away. So what symbol do you need to draw in the middle? The minus, the straight line across. 6 minus 3, and don't forget, you have to put this at the end. What is this? The equal sign, okay? So this is what you should have. 6 minus 3 equals. Now you can figure that out by using your hands, 6, and taking away 1, 2, 3. How many are left? Or if you want, I'm going to show you this other way. I'm going to write the number sentence on my whiteboard. 6 minus 3 equals. Okay, so that's what you should have on your paper. But I'm going to draw circles. How many circles do I need to draw? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many circles do I need to cross out? 3. Good job. How many circles are left? 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. Now I'd like to practice some math problems that we would be working on in our math books at school. So let me share my screen. And here we go. And here we go. Awesome. So I want you to take a look at this. This says writing subtraction sentences and representing subtraction stories. So there are 5 bananas, so the number you need to write first in this example is 5. 2 bananas are eaten minus 2 equals, how many are left, friends? I want you to count, and I want you to write 5 minus 2 equals, and then the answer. Mrs. Frey has to grab something real quick. I'll be right back. You practice 5 minus 2 equals. Okay, Mrs. Frey is having some allergy issues today. So, okay, I needed a tissue. So I hope that you figured out 5 minus 2 equals how many, friends? 1, 2, 3. If you figured that out, great job. Let's go to the next one. Now, this says there are 7 candles. So what number, friends, are you going to put in that box? If you said the number 7, you are correct. Mrs. Frey is going to draw the boxes to show you, okay? 7 minus, it says take away 3 candles. They're taking 3 candles away. So in this square, you want to write the number 3 like this. 7 minus 3 equals. Now look at the picture, friends, of the last cake. How many candles are left on the cake? When you have 7 and you take 3 away, let's count. Let's count. I'm going to use my little arrow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. So you should be putting the number 4 in that box. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Say it with me, boys and girls. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Way to go. We're going to do the next one underneath that is showing the pencils. Do you see the one with the pencils, boys and girls? So what that says is it says there are 9 pencils. So the first number you need to write in this square is 9. Oops, my 9. Let me fix my 9 a little. There we go. What do you need to write in the middle right here? What symbol? The minus symbol. Great job. 9 minus. Now look at over here. What number is this? It says take away 4 pencils. So what number are you going to write here? 4. And then what symbol do you need to write in the circle? The equal sign. You're so smart. Now let's count how many pencils are left at the end, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Mrs. Frey is going to write 9 minus 4 equals 5. Did you write that? Great job. Are you ready to try another one? Let's see. Ooh, here is another one. But for this one, we're going to need to try to figure out the story ourselves. So it looks like there is the spilled porridge from Little Miss Muffet from last time. So we're going to have to look at that picture, and the first thing, what do you think the first thing we're going to need to do, boys and girls? When I look at that picture, I'm looking at the porridge. So what do you think I should do first? Great! If you said we should count all the bowls of porridge, you're super smart. You got it. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what number should we write in the first box? If you said 4, awesome sauce. Then we need to do the minus sign. How many bowls of porridge fell on the ground? 1, 2. So what number should we write next? 2. Very good. 4 minus 2 equals. If I wanted to do that with circles, I could do 1, 2, 3, 4. And I could cross out 2 circles. And how many circles are left, friends? 2. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. Another way I could do that is I could hold up 4 fingers and I could take 2 fingers away. And how many are left? 2. Great job. So what are you guys thinking at home? Is this easy? Is it hard? Is it okay? I hope that you guys are finding that it's not too hard, that it's okay for you. Okay, we're gonna do this one. Hold on, Mrs. Frey just wants to jump ahead for a second. Okay, we're just gonna do, these are gonna be the last two that we're gonna do, okay? So here is a picture of Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet has 4 bows in her hair. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what number should we write in the middle here? Or write first here? 4, good job. Then you need to write minus, and then how many bows are untied in her hair? 1, 2. So we should know this, we just practiced this. 4 minus 2 equals what, friends? You should have the same number sentence as last time. 4 minus 2 equals 2. And now we're going to do the banana one. It's going to be our last one. So let's count all the bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want you to do this one by yourself. There are 5 bananas and 3 have been eaten. So can you do 5 minus 3 equals and tell Mrs. Frey what the answer is? 5 minus 3 equals. This is what you should have written. 5 minus 3 equals, I drew 5 circles, and I'm going to cross out 3, and how many are left? If you said 2, you got it right. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Great job, boys and girls. I'm going to write 2 problems down for us to work on together right now, and then I'm going to show you the paper that I'm going to have you work on yourself, okay? So I'm going to go back to the cubes, okay? And I have a tower of 10. I have 10, and I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I have a tower of 10, that's how many I have all together. So the first number you should write is 10. Then what goes in the middle? Minus, great job. We took 5 away. Let's count how many are left, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. I can't forget the equal sign. And then I'm going to write 5. So we used the cubes to figure that out. Great job. I'm going to put those back again. And now we're going to do a tower of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is my tower of 8. So the first number I want you to write, boys and girls, is 8. Then minus, I want you to write the number 4. I would like you to write 8 minus 4 equals. Now we're going to use the cubes again, and you're going to help Mrs. Frey. I'm going to take 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you count and see how many cubes I have, friends? 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer should be 4. 8 minus 4 equals 4. So I'm going to show you the paper that you're going to do today. If you want to do some extra practice, you could maybe ask mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, auntie, whoever's helping you out with schoolwork today, if maybe they could write down some subtraction problems for you, maybe like 3 or 4, and you could just practice and see. These are addition stories like we did just a little while ago when I shared my screen. That's why I did those with you. So here is a little girl, and she's taking some pears out of the basket. The first thing we need to do, friends, is we need to figure out how many pears there are all together. So let's count all the pears, including the ones in the little girl's hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just double checking. There are 9. So that would be the first number that you write, 9. Minus, how many is the little girl taking away? 2. So you would write 9 minus 2 equals, and then count all the pears in the basket and write the answer. For this, there are ducks and birds and we need to count them all. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to write 8 first. How many are flying in the sky? Minus 3 equals, and then count how many are still in the pond. So that's what I want you to work on today, friends, for subtraction. You did a really good job working with Mrs. Frey on that. And I want you to keep practicing all of your subtraction work at home and keep up the good work and have a good day. Bye, friends.